Scratches on a car's surface can be frustrating, and professional repairs can be expensive. The V-Vaxy Car Scratch Repair Wax claims to be a simple and affordable solution for fixing minor scratches, restoring shine, and providing long-lasting protection. But is it legit and worth it, or just another ineffective product? Let's explore its features, effectiveness, and customer feedback. What is V-Vaxy Car Scratch Repair Wax? V-Vaxy Car Scratch Repair Wax is a scratch remover and paint protector designed to eliminate light scratches, scuffs, and swirl marks from a vehicle's surface. It uses advanced coating technology to create a superhydrophobic layer, helping to prevent further damage and keep the car looking fresh. Key features of V-Vaxy Car Scratch Repair Wax: removes minor scratches, effectively reduces small scratches, fingernail marks, and slight lacquer damage. Works on any car color, safe for all paint colors, except vehicles with plating crystal or paint protection film. Easy to apply, no professional tools required, just buff it in with a sponge. Multi-effect protection, creates a hydrophobic layer to prevent water stains, oxidation, and dirt buildup. How to use V-Vaxy Car Scratch Repair Wax. Clean the affected area, wash the scratched surface to remove dirt, wax, or debris. Apply the wax, squeeze a small amount onto a soft sponge. Buff the scratch, rub the product onto the scratch in circular motions until the mark starts to fade. Wipe off residue, use a clean microfiber cloth to remove excess wax and reveal a polished finish. Does V-Vaxy Car Scratch Repair Wax really work? The product description promises quick and effective results, but user reviews show mixed experiences. Some customers find it effective for minor scratches and scuffs, while others note that deep scratches and extensive paint damage require professional repairs. Pros: affordable alternative to costly scratch repairs. Simple application process, no special tools needed. Works well on minor scratches and swirl marks. Cons: not effective for deep scratches or severe paint damage. Results may vary based on paint condition and scratch severity. Is it worth buying? For those looking for a quick fix for light scratches, V-Vaxy Car Scratch Repair Wax is a legit and budget-friendly solution. However, for deep scratches or paint chips, a professional repair might be the best option. Always check customer reviews on Amazon to ensure it meets your needs before purchasing.